To add a box to your project, you come to the first icon on the left-hand side menu, which is the network expansion icon, and you'll see these add box icons. You can add one box at a time or multiple boxes. They are represented by these icons of a single box or several stacked boxes. In this case, I'm going to create a single box. Then I click on Add Box and search for the location on the map where I want to add it. In this case, I'd like to add it to a pole. So, to do this, I'll zoom in on the map, choose the pole I want to connect this box to, and click right next to it. And the system will automatically ask if I want to link this box to this pole. I'll click Yes, and that will open this box configuration window, which is where I'll put in the details about this box. First, the type, whether it's a CE or a CTO, or another type that you can add in the type menu. Then there's a space to enter the name, where OZmap will generate an automatic name, as a suggestion, which follows the numerical order of the boxes of that type. And this pattern can also be configured. So here, for example, the name of this CTO is CTO13, and I'm going to change it to CTO13 Corrigo. And then there's the template option, which indicates what will automatically be inside this box. So, in this case, I'm going to select the 1x8 splitter option, which is the only option there is. But this template can also be customized in the box template settings so that there are more options for elements that will come automatically when creating this box. Here, at box level, there are the suggested options of CE or CTO, and the information that will appear in the sidebar when you select CE or CTO to filter the map according to what you want to see. Then, if there are more levels, you can add them eventually. The border and fill color are customizations you can make to make it easier to understand when viewing the project. The border color tells you about the box, the type of box. So if I change this CTO to a CE, automatically the border color will change to blue. And if I go back to CTO, the border will change to black. These colors are OZmap's own preset, which can also be customized. So there are these other colors here as an example. The fill color is related to the implantation state. So, for example, if you change to in project or not implanted, to implanted or certified implanted, the colors will change. But you can see that between implanted and certified implanted, the fill color is still black, but later I'll show you how it differs. The implantation status is a tool that also helps at the time of sale. In this case, a box in a project won't be available for sale yet, while those in more projects will. There are also options for tags and notes. Here, you can add a new tag or replace an existing one. In the comments, you can put whatever you want, and it's optional. So, in this case, I'm going to record here that it's an unimplanted CTO and click Confirm. That way, when I'm looking at the map, I can tell that this is a CTO because the border is black and that it hasn't been implanted yet because it's filled in yellow. By clicking on this saved box, you can open its information and change the name, implantation status, and certification. So, I'm going to click on the box here, the diagram will open, and I'm going to click on the information here in this right-hand side menu, and I can change all the information I put in earlier. Here, to show you, I'm going to change the implantation in the box to implanted and certified, and I'm going to click on Save and Close. As you can see, I've changed the color of the fill and also added this correct symbol, which means it's certified too. In the case of creating multiple boxes, they will need to be of the same type and have the same settings. So I'm going to click on Add Multiple Boxes here, edit the settings I want, and click Confirm. And I'm going to click on random points here on the map, just to show the creation of the multiple boxes, and click Save. And you can see that they all actually have the same settings. Also, if you need to move the box, just right-click on it, and the available options will appear. Then click on Move, and then click on the pole or point where you want to place this box, and click on Save.